Hi, asthma and COPD heroes. Denise here, one of the respiratory therapists with Nightingale, coming at you with our fifth Nightingale tidbit on fall allergies. Other treatments to help with fall allergy symptoms include nasal rinses and immunotherapy. Nasal rinses, you use either a neti pot that kind of looks like a teapot, or a squeeze bottle like this is specific for that, or a rubber nasal bulb to pour saline or salt water into the nair on one side of your nose, and the saline comes out the other side. It's messy, you got to lean over the sink. Nasal washes rinse the pollen and mucus out of the nose and sinuses, which helps with seasonal allergies. It's important to be sure to use distilled water or sterile water, or boil your tap water for 3 to 5 minutes and then let it cool until it's lukewarm. Previously boiled water can be stored in a clean, closed container for use within 24 hours per the Centers for Disease Control website. Tap water may be safe to drink because stomach acid kills the bacteria, but using that same water in your nasal washes, the bacteria can stay alive in the nasal passages and cause a brain infection. So you want to be careful with that. Immunotherapy, or allergy shots, are when a small amount of a substance the person is allergic to is injected to build up the person's immunity or tolerance to that substance. Sublingual immunotherapy includes tablets that contain a small amount of the allergic substance being placed under the tongue to dissolve and build up the immune system or tolerance without injections. Sublingual immunotherapy is only available for ragweed, grasses, and dust mites. Immunotherapy is done for 3 to 5 years to develop immunity or tolerance to the allergen. Allergy symptoms usually improve during the first year of treatment, although the second year is when people often see a more noticeable improvement in their symptoms. And by the third year, some people no longer have significant allergic reactions to those substances. After a few years of successful treatment, some people don't have significant allergy problems even after allergy shots are stopped. Other people need ongoing shots to keep symptoms under control. Allergies can vary during your lifetime. You can develop allergies at any age, and there is no cure for them. Managing your allergies is the best way to deal with them. Hope you enjoyed watching these Nightingale tidbits on fall allergies. Let us know what you think by leaving comments, and thanks for watching.